This is not your average grilled lemon pepper chicken. This is that grilled lemon pepper chicken, if you know what I mean. I'm talking tons of flavor, so juicy, so amazing, out of this world delicious. And guess what? I'm about to show you how it's done. Now let's get started. So to begin, you want to go ahead and grab your chicken as well as some kitchen shears, and we are gonna cut along the back of this bird, and we are going to cut out that little backbone that you see there on the screen. So go ahead and follow along and cut it just like so. And yes, you can see the struggle is real. Do not tell me I have some dull scissors, because it is the obvious. I need to sharpen these bad boys up because your boy was struggling. But yes, we got through it and we did end up cutting it out. So you want to go ahead and pull that out, get rid of it, kind of clean up the inside of the chicken, get rid of all of that ooey gooey nastiness we don't want in our food. And we are going to flatten this bird out. So go ahead and grab you a big old knife, and then there's a bone kind of right in the middle there. So go ahead and place the knife, add a little pressure. You should hear it crack. Once it cracks, the bird will kind of flatten out, and it'll make it easier so we can have a nice even cook. You know what I mean? So it'll lay nice and flat on the grill. You're gonna see how it looks just in a second here. So once that's all said and done, go ahead and grab you some EVOO, some extra virgin olive oil, drizzle a little bit up on this chicken, and we are going to give this chicken a nice luxurious massage, because you know how we do. Go ahead and rub that in front and back, guys, just like so. Now we're gonna move on to one of my favorite parts. On the screen here, you should see a list of everything we are going to be using to season up this chicken to perfection, guys. I take pride in this part. You know what I mean? I take so much pride. You know what I mean? Because we don't do bland. I take my time. I go crazy, go ham, go insane with the seasoning. All my OGs, everybody that been watching for a while, you guys know what it is. Ain't no bland chicken over here. I'm trying to tell you, yes, we go crazy with the seasoning over here. We are going to make sure every little tiny inch of this chicken is well seasoned up. Oh, so proper, guys. So go ahead and go crazy. Make sure your chicken is nice and seasoned up like this. And if it don't look like this, please kindly take it all the way back to the kitchen where it came from, because we do not want it. So go ahead and get your grill nice and hot. If you got a charcoal grill, you can use charcoal. Me, myself, I love me some propane. Let's not debate about it. I like propane. I just feel it's a little bit, I don't know, it's just so much easier. Just crank up, you know, a propane can and get to grilling. That's just my personal preference. So what I'm doing here, I have a napkin soaked in some oil and I'm just rubbing it on the grates kind of to prevent our chicken from sticking. So go ahead and lay your chicken skin side first down on that grill. Let it do its thing, guys. Let it do its thing until it gets nice and beautiful. Then give it a nice little flip just like so. Let the other side get oh so beautiful too. Let it do its thing, guys. Let it cook. And what I'm gonna do next is once that second side gets all nice and beautiful just like the first side, I'm gonna kind of move it to like the colder side of the grill, close the top, and just let it sit, let it cook, let it do its thing. So we are going to move on to the co-star of the show, and that is that lemon pepper butter. Go ahead and get all these ingredients in a little bowl or whatnot and give them a nice little mix, guys. Get it all combined, ready to go. You can add a little bit of fresh lemon juice in there if you want. You can add a little bit more lemon pepper seasoning, a little less. You know, you kind of just how you want, but this is how I like mine. And you guys ask all the time, I use Lowry's lemon pepper seasoning. In my humble opinion, it's the best. It's where you want to go when it comes to lemon pepper seasoning. So our chicken is already up to temperature. Our chicken is, you know, at about 165 degrees, and we are going to layer on that beautiful, oh so delicious lemon pepper butter sauce. All right, go ahead and get that on there. Be very generous as we always do. You know, go crazy with the lemon pepper butter. Get that up on the chicken. Get the underside of the chicken as well. Just go crazy. Make sure that thing is well coated in that good old butter sauce. All right. How amazing does this chicken look, guys? Looks amazing, and you already know it tastes 10 times better than how it looks, guys. The camera deceives you. Yeah, it looks amazing, but I'm telling you, it tastes so much better. Get it on your taste buds, man, and enjoy. Guys, this is my absolute hands down favorite part. We got our carving knife out and we is chopping up this good old lemon pepper chicken, and when I tell you the flavors are just slapping you all up in the face left and right, believe me, guys, this chicken is so juicy, so flavorful, so amazing, guys. My goodness, you could pair this with some rice, pair this with some veggies, whatever, doesn't matter. You can eat it by itself. You don't even need a side because it is that good and that amazing, guys. Look at this, look at this, look at the crust. Look at the crust. Look at that flavor up in that crust, guys. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to tell you, this is so good, so amazing. And just throwing it on the grill is just next level goodness, guys. I am trying to tell you, I cannot wait for you guys to try this recipe. It is amazing. Like I said, hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and a comment if you haven't already. And if you're new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe. I will see you on the next video. Deuces.